nice if you could use your favorite apps directly in the car without touching your mobile. With Bosch MySpin, that's not a problem anymore. MySpin allows me to operate my smartphone apps from the vehicle's touchscreen in a safe and convenient way. I start off with the Launcher app, available for iOS and Android. Here you can see all the apps installed on my phone that are compatible with MySpin. And here's a list of apps that are currently not installed on my phone. Touching an icon brings me directly to the App Store. Once connected via USB, I now can access my apps. Some apps are already pre-installed, like the calendar, the contacts and the music apps. They directly access the database of the phone. And there are many third-party apps available, currently more than 50, for music streaming, navigation, communication and driver assistance. Worldwide, in more than 150 countries, including India and China. MySpin is more than pure infotainment. MySpin allows apps to access vehicle data like GPS, the fuel level or even signals from the CAN bus. The app is running on the smartphone. The output of the app is rendered in the vehicle display. Even after disconnecting, the app keeps on running, which creates a seamless user experience. This allows developers to create innovative, useful automotive apps up to connected services. MySpin brings my content in my car, and I can access it in a safe way, with a great user experience. And the exciting news is, we have much more to come up in the near future.